today I've been given the pleasure to unbox new Zarimi handheld new vacuum. It is a very nice, sleek black case right over here. Very nice as well. So you can just keep all your stuff in there. But let's open it up and actually check what we have going on inside of here. So let us get into here. And I am shown a lot of different items as revealed here. We are given, I assume these are just lengtheners that you could put at the end of the item as shown. I guess we could test it out together, but let's just get through everything. This is the brushless motor that they were talking about, which is beautiful. Placed right over here. We are given a little mini vacuum that's actually pretty cute. Look at that. You're given a little mini vacuum. You can imagine how that's gonna work. We are also given, right over here, just another part of the whole lengthening tools. A little small user manual, but we're not even gonna really need that because that's the whole reason I'm here. I'm going to explain to you on how to use this thing and how everything functions and works. Another little easy lengthening tool right over here that you can install. And then for the actual thing that we came for here, there's a little other functioning tool right over here. See how that's gonna work. But into the big boy. So we are given 2 dual batteries just as they promised, and they seem very, very compact and high material. 21 volt lithium batteries, super powerful. You could tell that this is some type of high quality. I don't know, just something about these. But yeah, 2 dual batteries. Let's just place these right over here. We are given what seems to be a charger. And then finally, the machine, and wow. You know, you could just tell by the time I came in to take out the whole machine, I was expecting some type of weight, but when they said it was lightweight, I didn't think it was that lightweight. We're having some nice little bubble wrap. It felt like I was about to hold the drill, but no, this is smooth. And they also come with another brushless motor, as you can see in there. But here is the machine. There we go. We'll be able to take the battery, as you can see right over here, and just simply place it to here. And upon clicking this button, it should turn on. And it seems as there's different speeds. You could tell it was getting louder and louder with each click. So we're back. Like I said, we cleaned up our workspace, and I made 3 different household amenities over here. We have rice, there's also breadcrumbs and or cereal, and then finally just a little bit of shredded paper, just so we can test the power of this Zarimi vacuum, handheld vacuum, sorry. And as you can see, immediately takes everything. Let's move on to the breadcrumbs, and now we're gonna go into the second degree of the machine. And you can see not even a single crumb left on the floor with just a simple, easy swipe. And then for the last one, just to make this a bit interesting, we can use the little mini vacuum and just simply go over it. We will be using the 3rd highest setting, and right now we have everything here. Let us turn on the highest setting. You may be scared, oh, it's not working that well, just simply because I can't put the machine down. And everything has been absolutely ceased to exist on the table. And it is as simple as simply opening this, and this machine will now be laid down. Simply opening this up, and everything has been put into the brushless motor, and all your trash has been left inside of here. It is simply that simple. That is pretty much everything that I have to showcase about the Zarimi handheld new vacuum. guys so very much for watching, especially for its price and its uniqueness and compact design and the different multifunctional 6-in-1 tools. I would genuinely and highly recommend this. I will definitely be using this to help around the house more when it comes to chores. And I might even recommend it to some friends because, especially to their more expensive ones, this is a lot better since they do come with 6 different tools. That's insane. But that is all for Zarimi. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Goodbye.